This right here is a new gaming mouse sent over by ThundeRobot. It's the new MG301 gaming mouse, also known as Layson in China. So this is one of the newer launches, and it's a pretty interesting mic right here, and it costs around 99 ringgit. You can check it out, links in the description below. Before this video starts, a huge thanks to ThundeRobot for sending this over for me to take a look at, and let's get into the unboxing of this mouse. Real quick, before the unboxing, we'll be taking a look at the box itself. On the top here, we can see ThundeRobot's logo. On the right side, it says Born for Gaming. Then we have the image of the mouse itself, which is really nice. And at the bottom, we basically have the Chinese name of the microphone. On the side, it just says ThundeRobot. Same thing on the other side with the QR code to their website. And on the back, right here, we have the silhouette of the mouse and a few features it packs. So let's unbox it. So this is everything included in the box. On the front here, we have something from ThundeRobot. Let me just open it up. So it's a ThundeRobot flyer of sorts. On the back, it just goes through a few stuff and their website and the software. And this is the user manual that is fully in Chinese. I believe they will be having an English version one soon. And then this is just a quality check sticker. And then in this, so this is the mouse itself. Oh, first feel impressions, really nice, clicky. Scroll wheel, really nice build quality, I really like it. And this is what the bottom looks like. And this is the braided cable, and it has gold plated on the Type A. Let's plug it in and see what it looks like turned on. I have the mic plugged in right now. We can see the RGB here and on the logo and on the sides too. And they are currently cycling through a few colors, and you can configure it in their software. So let's go through a few features this mouse has. So again, it's from ThundeRobot, and it's the new MG301 wired mouse. And it has a few really nice gaming features. So inside there, we have a gaming grade chip for good response time, which is really low at a few milliseconds. It has an 80 million effective click rate life, so you can click on the switches for 80 million times and they will still work after that. It has a max DPI of 16,000, which is adjustable in the software. It's only for right hand use, so it's not a omnidextrous mouse. It has RGB lighting that we just took a look at, and it has programmable buttons on the side. So the switch in this mouse is a Cal switch, which is really durable and it's really nice. So after using this mouse for a few days, I say I really like the design. One thing that really stands out to me that it's a pretty big mouse. I have pretty big hands, and this fit my hands quite nice. The little slope on the left side does help my thumb. And the programmable buttons really help me in games like Valorant and stuff, because I can program it to what I want. The RGB is really nice, and you can configure it in the software. And the braided cable again is really nice. So overall, for 99 ringgit, this mouse I say is quite a good buy, especially if you're looking for a longer lasting mouse, which has the new Cal switches inside and a good 1000 polling rate, which is really good for games right now. So if you're interested, links will be down in the description below. And I would like to say a huge thanks again for ThundeRobot for sending this over for a review. So that has been it. That has been a quick look and review at this mouse. Leave a like if you like this video, dislike this video if you didn't like it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I have more channel content coming up very soon. And as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye guys.